Don't want stomach growling.
Was that the bite of 87?
Obsessed with stomach growling. You know who's obsessed with stomach growling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20 million people obsessed with stomach growling. And I'm not one of them. You're probably one. Let me guess. You're at home every single day, on your bed, with a microphone, up your stomach, recording. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. I just don't know. But, guys, I'm not obsessed with stomach growling, but I will be posting one last single stomach growling video on my YouTube channel. And that video is, of course, cringe stomach growl videos part 5, because that's the video when I watched the very last video of Siren's stomach, the person who replaced that stupid, you know. Well, also on my channel, Jimmy Z, go check out that channel though. I did, make lots of videos of Cutie Burp and Girl 95. And on this channel, I make videos of Siren's stomach instead of Area 99's stomach growl. So yeah. But I'll be posting one more stomach growl video. So yeah. And hopefully you learn that I don't love stomach growling, you stupid butthole. So yeah. Hopefully you won't. And I will be seeing you guys on the other side, when I make my very last video of cringy stomach growl videos. So yeah, get ready for that. It's gonna be a blast. I'm gonna be reacting to lots of videos. Probably not too much, but that'll be my last video of stomach growling. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy the last video of stomach growling. I hate my life.
Was that the bite of 87?